So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of unknown language in your DaVinci Resolve or how you can set up a new language, the whole DaVinci Resolve for. Now in order to do it, just simply click on this option of DaVinci Resolve on the top left corner, then click on Preferences. In the Preferences, go to User, and here in this User section, you'll see this option that says UI Settings. Now from here, if you are seeing any unknown language, you just simply need to follow the option that I'm selecting, like this last second from here, then go to the second one, and here go to the first one. And from here, you'll see this option that says language. From here, you can easily select any language that you want, or you can just simply set it to auto. So it will automatically select the language of your region. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.